All right, I'm going to show you how to remove this section on these types of sofas, where they basically have two little clips that just slide into some grooves down here. And the reason you want to remove that is when you eat down in the crevices here, food will end up dropping in there. It's inevitable. And gosh, I'm going to have to do another video on cleaning up all of the surface there. It's worn down. Anyways, what we're going to do is remove this whole section here and pop it off. And you may think it is very tiresome and tedious to do, but there's a technique. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So first off is you separate the cushion. Down there you can see the little metal clip, and I'll zoom in where you can see that the portion of this section clips down next to this one. I don't know if we can see another one. There you go, right down there. So here's what we're going to do. Now once these clips are into the bracket, they basically slide down. You're going to want to push this section back, at the same time lift up in the center here, and there's a ledge. So you're going to grab like a ledge here, lift up, and be able to tilt it all the way over. We'll be able to clean under. So let's try that. Okay, there we go. And that was just to tip it over. Look at that. That is nasty. So now you're able to get under all of that, all the crevices and just everything under the chair, and you're able to do a good thorough cleaning. Here's an example of those clips. You can see here that this portion of this pin slides in there, then it slides down. So you want to lift up, and basically at an angle, you're kind of pushing the whole chair forward, so it lifts out of there. So I'm just going to use some multi-surface cleaner with some paper towels. Without sweeping up any of this stuff yet. So I want to spray this on here and prevent all the dust and pieces from getting blown around, so this prevents that. And I'm just going to put some on here too. It's nasty as well. Bobby pins. Works great as well as just taking some old spatula. This one here is a little bamboo one. And this won't scrape the floor, so you're able to just kind of loosen everything up. Good. Oh, that is nasty. Let's go ahead. Take that off. Yeah, gross. Some nasty food in there. Now for that, looks like it's some type of paint or whatever, so I'm going to have to chisel that up here in just a bit. These, you can use a butter knife, but just don't use the grooves. You want to use the flat portion here, okay? I'm just going to lightly use the tip and just kind of clean all of that up without scratching the floor. Just the couch here as well. It's all nasty. Okay, all clean. I'm gonna finish cleaning all of this stuff up here. Then I'm not gonna have you guys watch that right now, but then we'll put the chair back on the grooves. It's in there. That one is in there as well. As I mentioned, I'm going to clean up the surface of that. But that's how you do that. We'll see you on the next one.